Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Automation with Geeta. In today's video, we are going to automate WhatsApp messages using Python. Imagine sending birthday wishes automatically or sending reminders daily without typing manually. Yes, we can do that using Python automation. So let's start step by step. First, we need Python installed. If you don't have installed Python, download it from the python.org official website and install. Then we need one simple library called pywhatkit. Okay, open command prompt and type py-m pip install pywhatkit. Press enter and wait until it installs. If the library is installed already, it will show the message requirement already satisfied. Okay, otherwise it will start. Yes, it shows requirement already satisfied in my system. So in my system the pywhatkit library is installed already. If you have not installed, wait until it installs. Okay, then open VS Code, create new file, new file, Python file, name that file, click Ctrl S, send message. I will save it as send message on desktop. Click save. Now type this program, import pywhatkit and then pywhatkit. Declare the phone number with country code. Take one variable, example phone number equal to country code should be mentioned 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 digits phone number, and then write a message what you want to send. Take variable message, type what you want to send. Hello, this message is sent by Python automation. Okay, this is a message what you want to send, and mention the time when you want to send, and time should be in 24-hour format. Mention hour. Now the time is 7:32 p.m. so it is 19 and minute. So I will give 7:35. Okay. Now write actual program pywhatkit dot send what message of phone number, the variable which we have declared here, phone number, comma, the message, comma, hour, comma, minute. Okay. Save. I will explain once again. Okay. First we import pywhatkit library. Then we write the phone number. Make sure you include country code. Okay. Like +91 for India. Then we write the message. This is the message. Hello, this message is sent by Python automation. After that we set the time 7:35. This message will be sent at 7:35. Finally this function send what message will open WhatsApp web and sends the message automatically. Go to directory change desktop. We can use command prompt to run the program, or we can run in here also. Type py-m send _msg.py. Click enter. Okay. You will see the notification message. So in some seconds WhatsApp will open, and after 15 seconds message will be delivered. That means the program is working fine. Since I have not given correct phone number, the exact message will not send to the phone number, but it will open the WhatsApp web. We'll wait and see. If you see this message, that means the program is working perfectly fine, and it will open WhatsApp web and it will send the message. It will open like this. Okay. Important things: your internet must be on. Before running this program, your internet must be on, and WhatsApp web must be logged in. Okay, WhatsApp web must be logged in. If time is wrong, message will not send. So make sure always 2 or 3 minutes you kept ahead the current time. That's it for today's automation video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. In next video, we will automate sending emails using Python. See you in next video. Thank you.